we're at the Oakland Army Base, looking at a few different sites. We start off in the southern portion, adjacent to 7th Street, looking at a potential sewer lift station location, and then looking at the bypass alignment along Maritime. And currently, we're in the what's called the outer claw. It's port property. It's where the existing rail lines are, and where the new rail lines that will be serving the West Burma Road piers, 6 through 7 alignments are planned to be put in.
Like when we bring in 4 feet of fill on here, how do we
we're going to transition it from the inner flow to the outer flow. We haven't looked at that.
We've come up with solutions that our design team, based on experience in life, has said, hey, that's got to save a lot of money. Because the master plan had it obtuse. We've gone through 5 months of engineering, which has led to decision making, what some might call value engineering, or just straight up smartness.
There's a lot of infrastructure out here that we're working around, and the biggest obstacle is how do we keep existing folks served while putting in all the new infrastructure.
So, if we came out here and put in a big row of piles on the outside, and then figured out a way to run grade beams back to whether it's another row or all the way across underneath here, can't we just somewhat lift this thing up off everything, or at least help it?
But I mean, if we assess the tracks, and say we're going to drive a load across those tracks, we trace that load, right? Or,
we could go in
I mean, obviously, if we're talking about these cranes, like taking those, and planting them, like carving in, or let's say you put it out here, we just build a new structure for it,
And even in there, you would.
And
You'd
even
probably
in there,
cut it out.
And then Phil, we talked about a heavy load section, so you put a crane and you put heavy loads, and you just take this out, dismantle it.
Because coming under here and pouring grade beams is not going to be difficult at all. I mean, it is what it is, but it's just like any other retrofit we've ever done, right?
Pour a couple holes on top and pour it out.
Yeah, form it up. You use some super plasticizer in the mix. And
Were there drawings on the retrofits that they've done with the steel pots?
There are some. There are some.